building a money making mindset around your YouTube channel. Yes, yeah, that's right. So what do I mean by money making mindset around your YouTube channel? I want you to know that YouTube platform is not a social media platform. That's the first thing you need to know about YouTube. YouTube is not a social media platform. It's not somewhere that you just want to put up a picture and want people to come and like. No. YouTube is a business platform. Hey people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. So good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. Yes, welcome to the Extra Step CEO YouTube channel, and as you all know, on this channel I get to talk about business ideas that you can start, ways and how you can improve your business, and of course I am passionate about making extra incomes, and that's why I always say monetize your skills, monetize your knowledge. These are ways you make extra income. And being a new entrepreneur myself, I get to talk about my entrepreneurship journey. I review products, services, platforms that has helped me in my entrepreneurship journey and that I still find very useful. Does this sound interesting to you? Is this something you want to be a part of? Of course, you're welcome. The more, the merrier. All you need to do is subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come back to watch my videos. To all my existing subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your... So, what's today's topic? What am I sharing on today's video? Building a money-making mindset around your YouTube channel. Yes, yeah, that's right. So let's go right into the video. So what do I mean by money-making mindset around your YouTube channel? I want you to know that YouTube platform is not a social media platform. That's the first thing you need to know about YouTube. YouTube is not a social media platform. It's not somewhere that you just want to put up a picture and want people to come and like. No. YouTube is a business platform. If YouTube is not a business platform as a monetized channel, why do you think they screen your content, they screen your thumbnails, they screen your language before they put ads on your videos? So you see, have that mindset that, okay, I'm on YouTube as a business entity. And what do you need to do as a business entity? Show up for business, be professional, mind your language, and always comport yourself in a professional way. So that's the first thing. YouTube is a business platform. Number two is, as you're building your channel as a business, look for ways you can introduce other things into your channel, other things that would also be a way you can make money, because AdSense is not reliable. AdSense is not consistent. Like, a lot of people send me DMs after watching my monetization videos. What did you do? How did you do it? Oh, I want to be monetized on YouTube. And the first question I ask them is, why do you want to be monetized on YouTube? Like, let's just get it straight. Some tell me I want to be monetized because I want to be receiving AdSense. And I tell them, oh, AdSense is not reliable, because one, what if you put up a video and YouTube tells you limited monetization, or it's not something your audience really wants to see and you don't have so much views? So AdSense is not reliable. Do not depend on AdSense. Think of something else that you can do on your channel that will bring you money aside from AdSense. So that's when you will have to put on your business cap. I'm going to link a video where I talked about how you could make money on YouTube. You have to see the third mindset shift you should have as far as YouTube business is concerned is brand deals and sponsorships. It's not based solely on your subscriber count or your views. No. This could be a negotiating tool, like, oh, they want to negotiate because of, oh, you have views, you have this, but then most brands are more into conversion rates, like, oh, with this brand deals or sponsorship converts into sales for them, will the return on investment worth it? So as a business, your presentation matters, your environment matters, like the way you comport yourself, the way you present yourself matters. This is how brands will want to do business with you. So have it in mind that, oh, your subscriber count, your views is a way to attract brands, but it's not a way to make them stay. It's a way to invite sponsorship, and it's a negotiating tool, and it is not a way to make them do business with you. So Finally, in this video, I just want you to have that mindset that YouTube is a platform where money is being made. It is not a social media platform. So always conduct yourself like you're in a place of business. Take it seriously. See it as a business, as a revenue generating platform. That's the best approach. And in today's video, my shout out is to Coach Cherry. Yes, Coach Cherry, you really want to go to her channel with a pen and a notepad, because she has a lot of nuggets when it comes to career improvement. So Coach Cherry, this is a special shout out to you. So let's take YouTube seriously. Show up, show off if you have to. Attract the right people to your channel. We're talking about YouTube as a business platform. You can imagine yourself starting out on a business. Would you want to put your ads on a channel that appears on Sirius? No, you wouldn't want to do that. So these are things you need to consider before you upload your video. Like, look at the video a second time to be sure that if I have to put my advert on this video, I am making business sense. These are things YouTube considers too before they put adverts on our videos. YouTube doesn't put ads on content just for putting sake. YouTube checks before putting ads on our videos. So let's take it more seriously. Like, before you upload, think about it. Would anyone want to identify with this video? Would there be a return on investment if someone invests in this video? These are things you need to consider before you upload. All right, if you watch this video to this very end, okay, and you are yet to subscribe, why? Please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you would always come to watch my videos. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for being the best. Thank you for always coming back to watch my content. Right now, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. I welcome you to the Extra Step CEO. I welcome you. That has helped me in my interpretation. That has helped me. One, what if you put up a video and YouTube tells you, oh, limited money, until I come again until see you bye now. Let's continue